Welcome to our exploration of the 10 best diet plans for your overall health. Each diet plan is like a unique recipe for wellness, tailored to different needs and goals. Let's dive in and discover which one might be the perfect fit for you. 1. Mediterranean diet. Picture a sunny Mediterranean coastline. This diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and olive oil, much like the vibrant and fresh foods found in this region. It's known for its heart-healthy benefits and is like a gentle sea breeze for your cardiovascular system. 2. Plant-based diet. Imagine a lush garden. This diet focuses on plants, including vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. It's like nurturing your body with the bounty of the earth, promoting overall health and sustainability. 3. Keto diet. Think of your body as a high-efficiency engine. The keto diet shifts your energy source from carbs to fats, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. It's like switching fuel types for more efficient performance. 4. Paleo diet. Step back into the past with the paleo diet. It's based on what our ancestors might have eaten, like lean meats, fish, fruits, and vegetables. It's a journey back to the basics of human nutrition. 5. Low-carb diet. Imagine cutting down on heavy, starchy foods. A low-carb diet reduces carbohydrate intake, focusing on proteins and fats, and is like lightening your dietary load for better health. 6. DASH diet. Designed to combat high blood pressure. The DASH diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy. It's like a steady, calming rhythm for your heart's health. 7. Intermittent fasting. This isn't just a diet, but a pattern of eating. It alternates between periods of eating and fasting, like the ebb and flow of tides. Giving your body a break can potentially improving metabolic health. 8. Flexitarian diet. Flexible and balanced. The flexitarian diet blends vegetarianism with occasional meat consumption. It's like having the best of both worlds, enjoying plant-based benefits while indulging in meat occasionally. 9. Volumetrics diet. This diet focuses on eating foods that are low in calories but high in volume. It's like filling up your plate with clouds, light but satisfying, helping you feel full without overeating. 10. Mind diet. Specifically targeting brain health. The Mind diet combines elements of the Mediterranean and DASH diets. It's like a protective shield for your cognitive function, nourishing your brain with every bite. In conclusion, choosing the right diet is a personal journey. It's about finding the balance that works for your body and lifestyle. Remember, the best diet is the one you can maintain in the long run, bringing you health, happiness, and well-being.